welcome everyone once again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download the Visual Studio Code IDE that we'll be using to write our codes. So come to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Then let's search for Visual Studio Code. Alright, okay. So you can click on download or you can click on this link here. Alright. Okay, so you can see download for Windows. So let's click on it. Alright, so we are going to wait a little bit. It's going to start downloading. If it not starts on your own system, you come here and click on this direct download link. Alright, so let's wait. Okay, now you can see it here. You can see it here. So let's wait for it to download. Remember to connect your system to the internet. Okay, we are done. So I'm going to click here to see the file inside my folder, or you can just come to your system then check on your downloads. So either ways, you should be able to see it, or you click on it directly. So I'm going to click here, show in folder. So I'm going to locate the file here. Okay, look at it here in my downloads, as you can see. All right, so I'm going to right click on it, run as administrator. Okay, okay, accept the accept their terms and conditions. All right, so yeah, you can choose to save it any way of your choice if you feel like, but I'm going to leave mine as is. All right, so next. Okay, so next. So yeah, I need it to create a desktop icon. Okay, so when I'm done installing it, I should have a desktop icon, and I should also have this here, this and this, so I will be able to directly open a folder using the Visual Studio Code. All right, so you see I ticked everything here. So next. All right, then you click on install. So let's wait a little bit. So I'm going to minimize this here. Let me minimize this also, the browser. So let's just have this. So once we are done installing, we should be able to see the Visual Studio icon here, the Microsoft Visual Studio icon on my desktop. Okay, so now you can see it here. So you can choose to click on, so this is ticked, so if I click on finish, it's going to open it, but I can also untick this and click on finish so that I will just come here and open it manually. So either way, so let's just see. Okay, now you can see, now you see the interface. All right, so I can click on cancel here. I can still come here, the shortcut here, and double click on it. All right, so in case you forgot to tick on that icon to have the icon, you can still come to your search bar here and search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see it here. All right. Okay. So to download an extension, you come here, you click on this place here, and let's search for a live server. Okay, you can come here to search for an extension. All right, so let's say live server. So you see, you can see live server here, so you can click on it. Then I previously have one installed, so if you click on it, you here will be what install. So let me uninstall this so that we just try one. So you can see install. So I click on install, so it's going to install what the live what server. So when the thing is done installing, you will see that the this icon here, or this button here, sorry, this button here is going to change to, the text in the button is going to change to uninstall, telling that it has already what been installed. All right, so you need a live server, then also a prettier extension, the prettier extension. I think I got the spelling wrong. So look at it here, prettier code formatter. So you click on it also, and I already have one previously. So let me uninstall it. So we can just install it again. Okay. So it doesn't take long if your network is good. As you can see, the file size here 9.55 MB. Okay. So that is that. That is that. Okay. So you can click on this also to close this section here, as you can see. All right, so to create a file, you can come here, you click on this, you can use this to create a file. All right, you can come here to open a folder, you can still come here um, to open a file, to open a folder, to create new test file, or to create new file. All right, okay, so now we've seen how to install our Visual Studio Code, and also the prettier extension, and also the live server extension. All right.